Welcome to you all in Kanha Math classes for 12th Maths under CBSE board concerning to NCERT pattern. In the continuation of previous videos on this topic, that is the integral of product of two functions, or you may know integral by parts, I will here integrate the question number 22 under exercise 7.6. That is integral sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. Here, before integrating, we will solve this inverse function by putting x is equal to tan theta. Put x is equal to tan theta, dx is equal to sec square theta d theta. Now sin inverse 2x means 2 tan theta 1 plus tan square theta dx. Now this is equal to sin inverse 2 tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta, and 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Sec square theta means 1 upon cos square theta. This will be cut by this, and this will become sin inverse 2 sin theta into cos theta. Now this will be equal to, I will be equal to integral, this is sin inverse sin 2 theta into dx. This is equal to sin inverse sin 2 theta means 2 theta. 2 theta into dx means sec square theta d theta. 2 theta into dx, and here we have substituted x is equal to tan theta means theta is equal to tan inverse x. Hence this will be equal to 2 tan inverse x dx. This is 2 tan inverse x dx means 1 upon 1 plus x square into dx, and here 2 tan inverse x, and the second function is being absent. Then we will try that first function into integral of second. This we may write here 2 into integral tan inverse x dx, or 2 tan inverse x into 1 into dx. Here we will treat this as first function and this one as second function. Then this will become 2 first function tan inverse x into integral of second, that is integral of 1 is equal to x minus integral of differential of tan inverse x. Differential of tan inverse x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square into x dx. This is 2 tan inverse x into x minus 2x 1 plus x square dx. Now again we will put here 1 plus x square is equal to t. Put 1 plus x square is equal to t. Now 2x dx is equal to dt. Hence I is equal to 2x tan inverse x minus, here we have written 2x dx means dt upon t, it will be 2x tan inverse x minus log t plus c, that is I is equal to 2x tan inverse x minus log t means 1 plus x square plus c. This is the requisite answer of the definite integral. Now in the continuation of the question number 22, here we will try to find out the integral of question number 23, that is integral I is equal to x square ex cube dx. Now put x cube is equal to t, then 3x square dx is equal to dt, or x square dx is equal to dt by 3. Now here x cube means t, x cube means t, x square dx means dt by 3, that is 1/3 et dt. This is well-known form of integral, hence integral of et dt will be et plus c. Now 1/3 et means x cube plus c. This will be the requisite answer of the integral. Now we will try to find out the integral of the question number 24, that is I integral ex sec x within the bracket 1 plus tan x dx. We will bifurcate this integral into two integral, that is ex into sec x dx and further ex sec x tan x, sec x tan x dx. This is the first integral, this is the second integral. We will find out here the first integral. Now taking this as a first function and ex as a second function. Now first function sec x, integral of second function, that is ex, will be equal to ex minus integral of differential of first function. Now d dx of sec x into integral of second, that is ex dx. This is sec x into ex minus d dx of sec x means the d dx of sec x means sec x tan x ex dx, and now this is the second integral. We will write here as ex sec x tan x dx. Here integral ex sec x tan x dx. Very obviously, it's clear that this will be cut by this portion, only remaining this sec x ex plus c. This is the requisite integral of the target integral, that is under question number 24. Thank you for watching this video. I will like that if you are vigilant and clear concept holder, must like and subscribe the video. Thank you.